This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hi there. In this video, I am going to talk about growth hacking techniques, number 5 and number 6. Number 5, very important, remove landing page links. What does that mean? Let's get into this. Remove links that distract people from your call to action. So you might see this, let's say this is a landing page, okay? Then you want them to enter their email address to acquire a lead, and then you want them to sign up. But there is this distraction happening on the top. That means I might, before I go this, as a visitor, I might click this, or this, and then it has distracted me to go somewhere else. And might be possible I may not come back to this page at all. Okay, so you need to remove all of these. The landing page has to be very, very precise, to the point, without any links or any menu on the top. Let's look another example. So we have this, but this one is clean. So what we are asking the visitor to straight away go and sign up here. And it has 70% conversion rate plus 91%, obviously, because there is no distraction. The same page without the navigation link is this one. And with the navigation or the menu bar on the top is this one. We want to avoid this bit. Okay. Taking another example, you will see a huge number of links or the menu. It is distracting the user, because you imagine like you are running ads on, let's say on Google, and then people are looking for specifically for this particular landing page, all right, and they land on this page, and you're giving them all lot of other links to go and God knows what, but they are actually have clicked the link to come up to this page to find the information what they are looking for. Okay, they are not looking for all of these links. Make sense? So remove no navigation at all. 6% conversion rate. Pro tip: test minimal landing pages. Now I'm going to show you how your landing page should look. Will have better click-through rate and more conversions. Let's take a look at the first one, Dropbox. Okay, we all know Dropbox, and we know it is a huge company. So what do they do? Just have a small form, first name, last name, email, and password. This is sign up, or you can download Dropbox. Simple, clean, and with no navigation on the top. Let's look at the other one, Quora. Same thing. Sign up with Facebook, Google, or Twitter. No navigation on the top. And these are really, really big companies. The examples like LinkedIn, Quora, they are really, really huge. And they follow the same methodology. No navigation on the top. Groupon, no navigation. Simply email address. This is what they want. So it is like online is something like it's a give and take. Okay, you have come to my site or you have come to my shop, and I'm going to give you, if you give me something. So if you give me your email address, then I will give you this coupon code of say 50% or 90%. That is as simple as that. But there is no footer, no header, and no navigation. Let's take a look at the other one, Pinterest. Simple, join or login. Obviously with the image of their platform. What do these pages have in common? What do you think that they have in common, especially on your checkout? So in the checkout pages, this is the pro tip number 2, which is like, we take an example of Amazon. Now have a look at this page, okay? And then we'll come back to this. Amazon removes nearly all links during checkout. Have you ever known about this? Like when you're checking out, like say this is the checkout page, they have no links and they have removed everything. Even they have removed this, link of their logo. and this is during checkout, because if I'm putting links here, I am distracting a customer who is about to pay and place the order, and they might be, and this is really, really crucial, and it's a really, really big, or I would say very important growth hacking technique, because if they go away somewhere else, there is like very less chances, or probability is less that they would come and they may go away and go somewhere else. Okay, so no navigation. Amazon removes nearly all links during the checkout. That is their strategy. Now, this is the next pro tip, which I'll come back to it. This is the tip we are talking about for having no navigation link. Okay. Coming to the sixth growth hacking technique, use Callero. I've discussed vaguely about in the past video, but let's see what we could do for customer feedback. So customer feedback, I have discussed as in sense even during the purchase. Even in Amazon, you would see they would ask a whole lot of questions, and they would ask you to fill this form or that form and get feedback and all this. Even once you purchase, you will get an email of rating the feedback and things like that. Now, they are actually very customer centric, and they are they're collecting the data in terms of what user actually wants to give them a good user experience. Now, discover sign-up hesitations. If you do, let's say if you do not make a purchase today, can you tell us why not? So you're asking the user actually what is the problem in buying the product right now? Is it the prices were too high, or are you just browsing, did not intend to make a purchase, didn't find what I was looking for? Then obviously you can explain here, and then you just send. Okay, so what happens here is, if I know that the prices were too high and lots and lots of people are actually giving me this feedback, that means I need to go back and maybe re-strategize my pricing policy, or the pricing structure, or the strategy that I have in place. Maybe if the prices are too high as compared to the competitors. Let's look at the other one. Learn what information is missing on your site. So this is about the, more user-friendly for your website. Were you able to find the information you were looking for? This will be like, can be a pop-up on your homepage. Yes, easily, eventually, no. What information were you looking for? Simple, and then send. Okay. All of these are made in Callero. You can check out the website. It's a really, really good platform. Or customer intentions. This is the third one. What did you come to our site today to do? So I was looking for blah, 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 and then send. Okay. So you're getting the customer, customer feedback, which is very, very crucial for any business, so that you can actually, as I said, re-strategize and make it more better. This is how you will come up with ideas to test. And that is it for this particular section and this video. Now I will see you in the next section, where we will be talking another two really, growth hacking techniques for you to build your profession, career, or your business. Till then, bye for now.